welcome back to the Diabetic Duo. So today I kind of wanted to do a room tour so that you guys could kind of see how I have it set up for me and my diabetes and all of that. So let's get on with the video. Welcome to my room. Y'all, I tidied it up for y'all. So that's it. I have my trash can, my robe, my bed, my nightstand, my dresser. There's my bed. I have some books. So this is all like my technical stuff and like my stuff for bruises and all that. That's my diabetic stuff for at night. Some pens and pencils, cream, tissues, a candle, mine and Hannah's BFF bracelet, some marbles for decoration, my diffuser, some cute sunglasses. They're kind of like mirror-y, so I did them because I thought that looked kind of cute, like reviewing on my bedroom. These are just Orbeez that I wanted to display. That's my basil. In fact, oh, there's nothing yet. Me and Hannah. And my Valentine's from my grandma. Some gum and stuff. My closet. This is like my PJs here and over. This is two of my favorite pairs of pants. Just some socks and such. Then t-shirts, like t-shirts and a few tank tops. And then mostly tank tops. And then my favorite pairs of pants, two of my favorite jeans, favorite sweatpants. And then that's a bag of mine. My basketball. And then my closet. This is like a changing room area. Lighting is gonna get real bad here. Let me just do it a little bit so that it gets brighter. So like just an inspirational quote. And yeah. Woo. So then you go out. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was short but sweet and to the point. So, did y'all see my nice little horsey calendar with my little hearts? You can kind of see them. There's a red heart, a blue heart, and another blue heart. So, yeah, it would mean so much if y'all would click the red button down below, ding that notification bell, and comment down below some video ideas so that me and Hannah know what to do to please you guys. Any questions whatsoever. And yeah, if they're inappropriate or too personal, we will not answer them. If for some reason we feel that the comment is way too inappropriate, we will have to report it. I don't think any of y'all would do that, but just a warning, please don't. So, yes. We love y'all. Thank you for the support. We're almost to 30 subscribers, and a couple of them I know are like, I don't know the people. So thank you to you guys. That means so much to us. If you've just started a channel and would like a subscriber, we're more than happy to do that. We're not going to say a sub for a sub, but if we like your channel and we will subscribe. We might not turn on post notifications for every single channel, but for some of them we will. The other thing is, if you're like a big channel subscribing to us, thank you so much. That means a whole lot to us. We'll try to come over and follow you or subscribe to you as soon as possible. So yeah, I gotta get this edited and clean up the kitchen before my mother gets home. So yeah. And what else? Comment down below Q&A questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.